Design sales territories using quota relativity in BoogieBoard. Okay, I am designing my enterprise sales territories. I've got two levels, Enterprise AE2 and Enterprise AE1. If I look at LeBron's territory, I can see that he has a quota of $1 million. If I look at Rip Hamilton's territory, I can see that he has a quota of $1.2 million. He's a little bit more senior. And if I look at Angelina Jolie's territory, I can see that she's ramping. She has a start date in the future, and so she only has a quota of $500,000. So when BoogieBoard is designing territories, right now you can see things are way out of whack. I needed to take that into consideration while running the design algorithm. So I simply click to balance the territories. Once it's complete, I can see that quota relativity in my book design. My AE1s, my more senior sales reps, received higher level books in terms of customers, more prospects, and more ARR per quarter. Within my more junior reps, the AE2s, I can see that LeBron and Caitlin Clark have about a 2x territory to that of Angelina. That's because she's starting later, and this is a ramping territory set for her. I could also temporarily assign her accounts and coverage if I needed to using BoogieBoard. You can take nuance into consideration when designing books like quota relativity.